Do you want to create some really dope looking cinemagraphs like this just by using your phone? Then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I will break down my process of creating these cinemagraphs and making some complex animations. So this is Varun here and you are watching VR7 Tech, and without any further ado, let's get started. Before we start this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video because you will love the content on my channel. First, download Pixaloop app from the Play Store. The link will be given in the description down below. Then open up the app and click on New Project. And here select a photo which you want to create a cinemagraph of. Now we will animate the image. Click on Animate option, which you can use to create a path along which you want your animation to be. Once you have drawn the path, you can see everything is moving. To stop those, go to anchor and place the anchor points. Here also you can create geometry along which you want the animation, but I will not do that here. And you can adjust the speed of the animation by sliding this arrow, and then you can freeze or unfreeze this image. Then you also have different loop options like blend, boomerang and circular. For this image, this is not the right way to animate. So now we will replace its sky. Just come back and go to sky option. Here you can see different types of skies, and here select a sky that suits your photo. Go to its settings and there you can select the horizon, opacity and wind. In the wind you can select the direction in which the clouds are moving. So the next option is element. In the elements option you have a variety of elements which you can add to your photo. But I am not gonna add any of the elements to this photo. Now the next option is overlay. Here you can select a good looking overlay for your photo. Since the photo is clicked during my tracking, I will select a snowfall overlay. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Now the next option is camera effects. Here you can select different camera movements. I am going to select this really subtle movement. And the last option here is adjust. Here you can adjust the brightness, contrast and saturation. And once you have adjusted all of these values, here is our final results. In my opinion, this looks really dope. And once you have done all of that, just click on export, and here you can export this in video format, GIF or directly to any social media like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat or Twitter. And you can also select different aspect ratios as per your requirements. And then you can select the duration up to 138 seconds and the quality up to 4K, and then just hit on export. Your video will be exported in a form of cinemagraph. And that's how you create a really cool looking cinemagraph by just using your phone. Now I am going to show you a breakdown of my other cinemagraph that I created using this app. So to create this, I used the animate option which I showed you at the beginning of this video. By just selecting the path, I draw the path in which I want my clouds to move and my water to move. So then I place the anchor points in the middle where I don't want any movements. And that's it. I did this because if I selected the sky option, the sun in the picture was disappearing, which is the main subject of this photo. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Share this with your friends and follow me on Instagram. There I'll be posting behind the scenes and many other creative stuff. And leave a comment if you have any queries or doubts. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.